NEWater is one of the 4 national taps Singapore PUB has developed to ensure a diversified and sustained supply of water for Singapore. NEWater is produced from reclaimed water to supplement the 3 other taps of local catchments, imported water from Johor, and seawater desalination. In May 2000, the first NEWater demonstration plant for recovering high-quality water from secondary treated sewage effluent was commissioned with a production rate of 10,000 cubic meters per day. Since then, 4 plants producing more than 220,000 cubic meters per day of NEWater have been commissioned. This supplies 15% of Singapore's total daily water requirement. PUB is the world leader in the application of reclaimed water. In 2002, PUB was presented with an Award of Excellence from the National Water Research Institute in the United States of America for its NEWater demonstration plant. Other international awards recognizing PUB's success were the Global Water Award and the International Water Association Award, presented in 2006. Most recently, PUB was awarded the 2007 Stockholm Industry Water Award, widely regarded as one of the highest accolades in the water sector worldwide. PUB is a global leader in large-scale water reuse. Its latest state-of-the-art NEWater plant is the Bedok NEWater expansion, with a capacity of 55,000 cubic meters a day. Bedok NEWater Factory was the first water reuse facility in the world to incorporate a world-class visitor center. After 2 years of successful test bidding at Bedok NEWater Factory, PUB is now the first in the world to use Grahamtek's 16-inch reverse osmosis membrane technology for wastewater reclamation. Grahamtek is PUB's technology of choice for its Bedok NEWater Phase 2 expansion. Grahamtek's RO technology consists of its patented flow distributor on its elements and electromagnetic devices in its vessels. These increase cross-flows, reduce boundary layers, and lower concentration polarization. The improved flow hydraulics through each membrane enables the Grahamtek RO system to operate at a significantly higher fluxes with relatively low fouling over an extended period of time. At the Bedok NEWater Factory Phase 2 expansion, the operating flux of 24 GFD translates into 54% savings in footprint. The significantly less membrane areas and fewer pressure vessels required for the plant result in 75% less pipes and fittings. Now, Grahamtek has successfully test-bedded at PUB Bedok NEWater its 8-inch RO elements with flow distributor. The Grahamtek 8-inch RO membrane elements installed with its patented flow distributor can now be used for the 8-inch membrane retrofitting market. At the proven operating flux of 16 GFD, with Grahamtek's elements for wastewater reclamation, you need 33% less elements for replacement. With high fluxes, less membranes and pressure vessels, smaller footprint and savings in pipe and fittings, all these translate into CAPEX and OPEX cost savings. The Global Water Intelligence describe Grahamtek technology as the most significant technical advance of the year in desalination and has given Grahamtek a distinction award for the year 2008. Grahamtek, the technology of choice for Power Seraya seawater desalination plant, and now the technology of choice for PUB Bedok wastewater reclamation plant.
Grahamtek's 16-inch reverse osmosis technology for seawater desalination and wastewater reclamation. Now in Singapore's Power Seraya seawater desalination plant, producing 10,000 meter cubes of water per day. With Grahamtek's RO system occupying only 250 square meters of space. From 2-stage sand filters to Grahamtek's 2-pass reverse osmosis system, where each pass consists of 2 trains. Each RO Pass 1 train has 24 vessels with 84 membrane elements. Each RO pass-through train has 9 vessels with 32 elements. The first pass RO system starts from the high-pressure pump, which delivers seawater at 535 m3 per hour at 35 bars, to a turbocharger, which increases the pressure to 51 bars, and feeds the seawater to the Pass 1 pressure vessels, which contain the Grahamtek membrane elements. The membrane elements which operate at high fluxes produce permeate, and the brine which is rejected is collected and passed through the turbocharger for energy recovery. The second pass RO system starts from the low-pressure pumps, which take water from the permeate tank and delivers water at 185 m3 per hour at 10 bars to the Pass 2 pressure vessels. They contain the Grahamtek membrane elements. The membrane elements operate at high fluxes to produce good quality permeate, and the brine is recirculated back to the filtered water tank and mixed with the incoming filtered seawater for RO Pass 1. Together, they produce 10,000 m3 of water per day. Grahamtek's innovative 16-inch large-diameter reverse osmosis membrane element, all fitted with our unique patented flow distributor. The flow distributors and electromagnetic device improve flow hydraulics through the membrane by increasing cross flows, reducing boundary layer thickness, and lowering concentration polarization. The RO system can therefore operate at a significantly higher flux over a sustainable period with relatively lower fouling. Operating at a higher flux means that you require a smaller area, fewer membrane elements and vessels, less piping and fittings. Grahamtek reverse osmosis system saves your repairs, maintenance, and replacement costs.